Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Saqib, your chemistry teacher. Welcome to our channel where you can get mastery of your concepts within few minutes. So without further ado, let's start. Atom is the basic structural unit of an element. Or you can say atom is a small particle which can take part in a chemical reaction. Okay. Atom is made up of different subatomic particles. Okay. Atom is made up of number one, protons. Uh, Protons are positively charged particles and they are present in the nucleus of an atom. And they have mass, suppose they have mass 1. Okay. So, number one, protons are present in the nucleus, in the center of the atom. These are positively charged particles and they have mass 1. Okay. Mass 1 is actually a relative mass. Second is electron. Electrons are negatively charged particles and they have very small mass. Uh, like if mass of proton is 1, then mass of electron is 1840 times less than the mass of proton. They have mass 1 over 1840. Okay. Third subatomic particle is neutron. Neutron is also present in the nucleus of an atom. It has also mass 1, means just compare the mass of proton and neutron. They have equal mass. Mass of proton is 1, mass of neutron is 1, but mass of electron is very less. Neutron have no charge. They are neutral particles. Okay, they do not have any charge. Proton and neutron, they are present in the center of an atom, that is nucleus, and electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Now look at all the properties of subatomic particles. Like protons have mass 1 and they have charge plus 1. Electron has mass very less, it is 1 over 1840, or sometimes it is written 1 over 1836 mass, and electron carries minus 1 charge. And neutron are neutral, they have 0 charge, they have no charge, and their mass is equal to the mass of proton. They also have mass 1. Okay. Most of the time you are asked to fill this table in the exams. Okay. What is the structure of an atom? How subatomic particles are arranged in the atom? Look in the middle. In the middle there is a thick part that is called nucleus. Nucleus contains protons and neutrons, while you can see electrons are revolving around the nucleus. The path where electrons are revolving, these circles, these paths are called as shells. Okay, these are called orbits or shell. In an atom, first shell contains only 2 electrons. Okay, and second shell contain 8 electrons, and then third also contain 8 electrons. We are actually talking about first 20 elements. So in first 20 elements, first shell 2 electron, then 8 electron, and then third shell contain 8 electron, and the remaining will go to the fourth shell. Okay. Why atom is a neutral particle? Atom has overall no charge. It is because an atom has equal number of protons and electrons. For example, if an atom has 5 protons in its nucleus, so its positive charge is plus 5. So in the outside of the nucleus, in there will be 5 electrons revolving around the nucleus. So plus 5 and minus 5 charge of the electron, they will cancel out with each other and there will be no charge overall, and atom will be a neutral particle. Okay. Um, every atom is given a specific number that is called its proton number. Now, what is proton number? Proton number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Okay. Like hydrogen. Hydrogen has only one proton in its nucleus, so its proton number is 1. It is also called atomic number. Okay, atomic number or proton number. Helium has 2 protons in its nucleus, so its proton number is 2. If an element has 11 protons in its nucleus, then its proton number will be 11 and it will be sodium. So every element has specific proton number. Okay. Proton number is also called atomic number. And the second number, which we will be talking about an atom, that is mass number. Mass number is also called nucleon number. So what is nucleon? Nucleon is whatever it is in the nucleus. So nucleus contains protons and neutrons. So total number of proton and neutron is collectively called as nucleon number. So an atom has 2 number. Number 1, it is proton number, and number 2, it is mass number it contains. Look at this example, beryllium. It is written, there is written 2 numbers, 4 and 9. Okay, 4 is its proton number and 9 is its mass number. You can find everything about this atom by just looking at these 2 numbers. Like how many protons beryllium has? Beryllium has 4 proton, as it has proton number 4. How many electrons are there? As we discussed earlier, that proton and electrons are same. So number of electrons are also 4. And what is 9? 9 is both proton plus neutron. So proton plus neutron is equal to 9. But we already know that protons are 4 in beryllium. So 9 minus 4, 5 are neutron in the beryllium. So if you are given these 2 numbers about any element, you can find anything about this atom, like how many electron it contains, how many proton it contains, how many neutron it contains. And if we know about how many electrons it contains, we will also find its electronic configuration. Like beryllium has 2 electrons in its first shell and 2 in the second shell. Okay, so we got its electronic configuration as well. By knowing the electronic configuration, we will also relate its position in the periodic table. Okay, hope you got this. If you have any question, any query regarding this topic, you may ask at the links given, or you can write in the comments. Thank you.